Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, 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 and good morning. This is me, Nimal Fatma, right here, right now. Mm, and let's start the tight niqab tutorial. Let's go. Number one, I am wearing this abaya. As per your request, you are saying that please do niqab tutorial with abaya, so I am wearing this beautiful abaya. And now uh, I am covering my face with stocking. First of all, I am put off my glasses and cover my face, full face. Yes, fold this part and put it here. As you can see, it's looking so good. And now I am wearing this hijab, this dupatta. First of all, I am wearing this niqab piece. Oh shit. My eyes are completely visible. Now we are taking this short side of the dupatta and put it on your head and make it a knot, this type. Now taking the second side, which is this, and also putting like this. Putting my niqab piece outside. This is my niqab piece. And now we should take this part. Actually, it is a hack. Ta-da! Take the one pin and secure here. Secure it from here. Oh my god, it's looking amazing. As you can see, I am using one pin, only one pin from just here, and it's looking amazing. Thumbs up for this hack. Thumbs up for this hack. It's looking amazing. It's looking so good, and it's full coverage. Oh. Bye bye guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.